Hello, third graders. So today I'm going to teach you about a new addition strategy called Value Pack. He is one of our math mites that we've been working on. So far you've met DC, and we've been working really hard on DC, and you know that DC carries his mallet around because he likes to decompose. He smashes those numbers to get friendly numbers, right? We've also been working on T-Pops, which I think he's on the back of my shirt. There he is. Okay, T-Pops is our traditional way of adding, where we align them in place value, and we practiced that last week with regrouping. So today I'm going to introduce you to Value Pack. This is Value Pack, and it's actually a family. It's not just one person. Value Pack is a family, okay? So when we use Value Pack, it's very important to pay close attention to place value because we are going to break these numbers out by place value. So, Value Pack is a group of characters that are all a part of the same family, and they really like to stick together, but sometimes, like any family, they need their time apart. They break apart. But at the end of the day, they always come back together because they love each other, right? Just like our families. So, Value Pack is going to break apart, but they always come back together. All right? Now, when we look at Value Pack, we look at place value, okay? So in this number, I don't have just a 2 and a 7, right? When I break this number apart, I have a 20 and a 7. I have 2 10s and 7 1s. So we are going to use Value Pack to break these numbers apart into place value, and then that will make it easier to add them using place value, okay? So I'm going to stick Value Pack up here so we remember what they look like. And we're going to use this strategy to break our numbers apart, so we are decomposing a bit, and then we're going to bring them back together. Now this is different. Even though we're decomposing, it's not DC because we are not looking to get friendly numbers. We're not decomposing just one number to get a friendly number to make it easier to add. We are going to decompose both numbers into their place value, okay? And then we're going to add them together, bring them back together using place value. So let me show you what this looks like. Pay close attention because you're going to have to practice this on your own after the video, okay? So we have 17 plus 33. If I'm using Value Pack to add these numbers together, I am going to decompose the 17 into place value. Now you can see in 17, we have 1 10 and 7 1s. We are also going to decompose our 33. We decompose both numbers into place value. So 33, we have 3 10s and 3 1s. So we broke them out into place value. Now it's our job to bring the family back together. Okay, so now we're going to add based on place value. We have 1 10 and 3 10s. 1 10 plus 3 10s equals 4 10s, or 40. We have 7 1s plus 3 1s. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, so we brought our place value back together, and we just need to add these numbers together. 40 plus 10 equals 50. So 17 plus 33 equals 50. Let's practice another one. 24 plus 38. I'm going to decompose my 24 into 2 10s and 4 1s. So I decompose it into 20 and 4. I'm going to decompose my 33 into 3 10s and 8 1s, 30 and 8. Next step, remember, we bring our family back together. So we always add our place value. I can't add the 20 and the 8 because they're not in the same place value, right? I'm adding my 10s back together and my 1s back together, and then I bring them all together, okay? 2 10s plus 3 10s equals 5 10s. 4 1s plus 8 1s equals 12 1s. and we add those friendly numbers together. 50 plus 12 equals 62. Okay, so I'm going to go through this one a little bit slower. When I ask you to answer a question, just shout it out at your screen, all right? So 16, we are going to decompose 16 into how many tens? How many tens are in 16? 1 10. How many ones are in 16? 6 ones. So we decompose into 10 and 6. All right, now our next step is to decompose the 15. How many tens are in 15? 1 10. How many ones are in 15? 5 ones. So we decompose 15 into 10 and 5. Next step, we need to bring our place value back together, our family back together. 110 plus 110 equals 2 tens, or 20. 6 ones plus 5 ones equals how many ones? 11 ones. And we add those numbers together. 20 plus 11 equals 31. Or I could say 2 tens plus 11 ones equals 31. Okay, last one, and look what we have here. We don't have just a ones place value and a tens place value. We have a hundreds place value as well. So instead of decomposing this into 2, we're going to have to decompose it into 3 because we have 3 place values being shown here. Okay, so it's going to be the same thing, but now we need to see how many hundreds do we have in 113. So how many, everybody? 100. How many tens do we have in 113? 110. And how many ones do we have in 113? 3 ones. You see why it's so important that we reviewed place value? Okay, next up we have 56. So we have how many tens? So you said 5 tens, you're correct. And how many ones? If you said 6 ones, you're correct. Okay, so we don't have 100 in this number, but we have 100 in this number in our place value. That's okay. So all we're going to do, since we don't have 100 to add on to, we're just going to bring it down. We can't just forget about it, right? We wouldn't get the right answer. We're just going to bring it down, and we're going to look at our tens place value. 110 plus 5 tens equals 6 tens. 3 ones plus 6 ones equals, shout it out, 9 ones. And look at what we have here. We have 100 plus 60 plus 9. 100 plus 6 tens plus 9 ones equals 169. Okay, so it's very important to pay attention to place value. See how many you have in each, how many digits you have in each number. That's going to tell you how many place values you need to break it out into. Okay, so I hope that was a good introduction for Value Pack. We are going to continue to work on this week so you can feel really confident and you can start even doing it mentally. Mental math without any pencil or paper. That's our goal, right? All right, awesome job. Thank you, guys.